So I just came back from Muffler Shop to replace the middle muffler. Some people call it the Resonator. Had a exhaust leak coming out of it, and in my previous inspection last year, the guy suggested that I should probably replace it. So I did, and this year, fast inspection, no problem. You won't be able to see it without the car lifted. I'll try to add pictures later on in the video editor. I don't know if I'll be able to do that, but I'll try. And car's a little bit quieter now. Doesn't want to focus. It's more stock sounding. See if I can put this outside. You can still hear the Wookiee sounds.